Hey folks, UglyDeck.com works year-round, and that includes fall and winter. Today the crew's taking off the railing, and I gotta say, it's coming off like a dream. No fuss, no damage. That's the beauty of aluminum. Durable, strong, surprisingly easy to work with. If your deck's looking a little tired, but you're not ready for a full overhaul, here's a smart move. Upgrade in stages. Start with the railing. It's the first thing people see, and aluminum gives you that clean, modern look with minimal maintenance. Then a few years down the road, swap out the decking when it fits your budget and timeline. And when it's time to redo the boards, just pop off the railing and get your new deck in and reinstall. No need to buy new railings or wrestle with complicated hardware. Smart upgrades done in stages. That's how you keep your outdoor space looking sharp without breaking the bank. Oh boy. And remember, nourish yourself with the microwave.
Yeah.
Nothing like a hot lunch on a crisp fall day.
Yeah, and if you go home on the weekend, your mom makes you lunches for the rest of the week. Grandma.
Beautiful.